Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Grade 6 Maths Session 26. In that class, we are going to revise our geometry topic only. In that topic, we are going to learn line segment. Exercise 4.1, 3 line segment sums is there. We are going to do that sums. In that sums, we are going to use the compass and ruler. Now, we are going to start our revision. Means we are going to draw a line segment using ruler and compass. Scale compass we are going to use and going to draw the line segment. Okay, first question, AB equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now AB equal to 7.5 centimeter. First, what and all we are going to do, that is the construction. Okay, first what we are going to do means draw a line L and mark a point A on it. I already draw one line. In that line I am going to mark that line name is L. Okay, so I draw one line. Okay, and I draw a L line. Now I am going to mark a point of A. So here I am going to point a mark of A because AB equal to 5 centimeter. So I here done A. Now measure 7.5 centimeter using the compass. Okay, we are going to measure 7.5 centimeter. Here see, I taken one scale. In that 0 onwards we are going to 0 the first point 7.5 centimeter. Okay children, now I am going to take the 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so 0 lende 7.5 centimeter. Okay children, so this is the 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now what we are going to do means place the pointer of the compass at A. So I am going to keep my compass at the point of A and draw a small arc on the line L. So now I am going to draw a small arc. Okay, so this is the small arc. Okay, it cut the line L at a point and the name that the point is B. So this point only we cut no that arc. So this point only point B. Okay, now AB is required line segment of length 7.5 centimeter. So AB is a 7.5 centimeter. If you have any doubt means you can take a scale and check it once. Okay, so see here, so 7.5 is correctly coming. Okay children, now it is right. Okay, now second question, CD equal to 3.6 centimeter. First what we want to do, we want to draw a L line. Okay, so this is the L line and I want to mark a point of C. We are going to mark a point of C. Now we are going to take the measurement 3.6 centimeter using the compass. So I am going to use the compass here. This is the starting point, 3.6 centimeter. See here, so 3.6 centimeter correctly is there. So I am going to keep my compass in point of C. Now I am going to draw one small arc. Okay, so this is the point of D. This is the point of D. Okay, now I want to write the line segment 3.6 centimeter. This is the 3.6 centimeter. Okay, what and all I do here, that only I written here for the construction. Okay, draw a line L and mark a point of C on it. I draw the L line and I draw and point the mark of C. Okay, so C is the point. Okay, and measure 3.6 centimeter by using the compass. Okay, I am using the compass only. I will take the 3.6 centimeter measurement and I will draw the small arc in line L. Okay, in that arc only I am going to mention the name D. Okay, in that line only we going to consider line segment of length 3.6 centimeter. It is very easy. Okay, now third question, QR equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, same method. I draw one line. In that line, I am going to mention here L. In that line name is L. Okay, now what I want to do means, first I am going to mark a point of Q. Okay, so I will mark here. The point is Q. Okay, this is the starting point. Now what I want to do means, I am going to measure the 10 centimeter by using the compass, because here QR equal to 10 centimeter. So I am going to measure the length. Okay, from 0 onwards we going to take. Okay, this is the 0. Okay, see here 0 to 10. 0 to 10. So I measured 10 centimeter. Now I am going to place my compass Q, and then I am going to draw one small arc. That arc only I am going to write the name R. I am going to write the name is R. Okay. Now QR is the required line segment. Okay, QR is the required line segment of the length 10 centimeter. Of the length is 10 centimeter. Are you clear, my dear children?